Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel ABCS Preparation Site. So guys, today I bring a course that is a fashion designing specialization course. It is a specialization course which is around 7 month duration. This course is available on Coursera and it will totally available free if you follow my video properly and the steps that I mentioned on this video. So watch this video so that you will not miss any information and do not skip this video, otherwise you will not able to get how to apply for this course. After completing this course you will get the specialization certificate from the Coursera, and in a specialization course you will learn from zero to top level. I hope this video will be helpful for you, and the formula that I share how to enroll for this specialization totally free, that gonna be work 100%. So follow this video and watch up to the last minute. Before moving to the content, if you're new to our channel, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so that you will not miss any update on uploaded videos. So we'll move on to the content. So guys, here is that specialization course which named as the Modern and Contemporary Arts and Design Specialization. This is a fashion design specialization course and offered by YAME, that is Museum of Modern Art, and this university is presented on New York in USA. So I will tell you how you can get this specialization course. First I will tell what are the content available on this specialization course and its entire details. Then I will tell you how you can enroll for this. Okay, we'll move on to here. It is a 100% online course, flexible schedule and beginner level. No priority knowledge of arts or design is required, and duration is approx 7 months to complete, which require minimum 3 hours per week, and available on every language, subtitle. See here, there are 4 courses in this specialization course. That is, first course is Modern Art and Ideas. Second one is Seeing Through Photographs. Course 3 is What is Contemporary Art. Fourth one is Fashion as Design. And these are instructor for this course. See here, and offered by the Museum of Modern Art. And you will get the specialized certificate like this. What will you learn? These are here, and the skill you will gain from it, like photography, design, art, history, museum, creativity, art history, art direction. So these are the information of this course. Now I will tell you how you can get this course. See here, the first option is by paying the amount, and I know that we are not here for to pay this specialization course, so I will tell you how you can get it freely. So second option is only by applying the financial aid. So now I will tell you how you can apply for financial aid, what are the questions they will ask, what is the answer for it. Follow the same step as I mentioned here and everything, and you will get this specialization course freely with free certification. That I say 100% sure. And one thing, for getting the financial aid, we need to apply separately for all these courses one by one, and after applying the financial aid it will take 15 days to get approval. So apply it and wait for the 15 days and you will get the approval for these courses. So first we will go to the course 1, otherwise we can apply directly from here. So now I will tell you how you can apply. Okay, first we will click on financial aid available option. After that it will ask for the login or sign up option. If you already have account, then you can go to the login option, and if you don't have, go to the sign up option and create your account. On sign up options here, put your full name, email ID and password and join for free. Nothing extra is required for the sign up option, and I already have account, so that I will go to the login option, and after putting my information, go to the login. So after the login it will show like this. We need to click on financial aid available. After that it will say continue to the application or enroll and start learning today. See here, application take at least 15 days to get review. So we'll go to the continue to the application option, click on it. After that check this option, then type as it is as above. After typing this, click on continue. Then it will ask for educational background. You can select as your preference, that is high school, yeah, some college or college degree, master, advanced, anything that you have. I have a college degree, select on college, then put your annual income 0, then employment status, unemployed or student, that's based on you. Click on student. How much you afford to pay? 0, put 0. And these are the main questions, that are why are you applying for financial aid, and next question is how will taking this course help you achieve your career goal, and the last question is if you answer no, please help us understand why. So I will tell you how you can answer these questions. I make a blog on this question, so you can go through this, and link for both I will share on the description part, so don't worry about all this. See here, I make a blog on application, so you can go through this link and get the answers here. See here, first question is why are you applying for financial aid, 150 word. So here is the answer. Select all these answer, then copy it. After that, go to the here and put the answer. Then similarly, next answer also I put it here. Go to the second question and select the answer, copy it and paste it. After that, if you answer no, third question is here, select it, copy it and paste it. So after answering all these questions, you can click on submit application, and you no need to do anything, just click on submit application and it will show the notification like after 15 days you will get the email for the confirmation of financial aid. And one thing careful about, while applying the financial aid application, do not enroll for course. Just wait for 15 days. After getting approval only you can enroll for this course. And again I am repeating that you will get it 100%. Every applicant will get 100% because I answer all these three questions very effectively, and I am 100% sure that you will get financial aid for these courses. After watching this video, go for application, apply for it and enjoy the course. In same way you can follow for the remaining courses one by one. First course application you will apply through this, then second also you have to apply, and it will also take 15 days. Same question, same answer you have to put. No need to worry about how to put the answers or different answers. To put same answer and wait for the 15 days. And one suggestion that I will give you, that while doing the first course, when you think that 15 days it will take to finish the first course, then apply for the second course. Don't wait to complete then apply, because it will take 15 days and waste your 15 days that you have to wait. So before completing the course 1, 15 days before, apply for the second one, so that after completing the first one directly you go for the second course and no need to wait for the approval. It will save your time and everything. So I hope this video will be helpful for you, and if you have any query you can comment below down. I will answer for it. Thank you so much for watching our video, and if you like this video, please hit the like button. If you still not subscribe our channel, please hit the subscribe button and bell icon so that you will not miss any update.